Did you know that there are nearly 1 million hectares of vineyards in Spain dedicated to wine production? Spain has the largest vineyard surface of any wine-producing country in the world and is the third largest producer of wine after Italy and France. This video provides an in-depth exploration of the rich history of Spanish winemaking, exploring its regions, major grape varieties, and wine classifications. Let's dive straight in with this introduction to Spanish wine. Welcome to the Filipino YouTube channel, where we create wine education videos for beginners and wine lovers. A brief history of wine in Spain. The history of wine in Spain spans over 3,000 years, rooted in the ancient civilizations that once flourished on the Iberian Peninsula. It began with the Phoenicians, who introduced viticulture around 1100 BC. The Romans further developed the tradition, expanding wine production across the peninsula and elevating Spanish wines to prominence throughout the Roman Empire. Following the fall of Rome, the Moors, who ruled much of Spain from the 8th to the 15th century, brought Islamic customs that largely discouraged alcohol consumption. However, winemaking persisted in Christian-held areas, primarily for medicinal and culinary purposes. The Catholic Reconquista marked the resurgence of winemaking, as monasteries became hubs for viticultural innovation. By the age of exploration, Spanish wines were being exported to the New World. The 19th century brought significant challenges and opportunities. The phylloxera plague devastated vineyards across Europe, including Spain, but also led to the revitalization of wine regions like Rioja and Catalonia, which adopted modern winemaking techniques. The 20th century saw further innovation, especially after Spain's entry into the European Union in 1986, which opened the doors to global markets and encouraged investment in wine quality and technology. Today, Spain is a global wine powerhouse, celebrated for its diverse wine styles, from iconic reds of Rioja to sparkling cavas to fortified sherries. Key wine regions: Rioja. Located north of the Iberian Peninsula, Rioja is Spain's most famous wine-producing region and is where most of Spain's finest wines are made. 90% of wine production is red, and Tempranillo is king, while Garnacha and Graciano are sometimes added to the blend. White and rosé wines are also produced here. Rioja is known for oak aging, resulting in classifications like Crianza, Reserva, and Gran Reserva. Ribera del Duero. The famous Ribera del Duero is located in the Castilla y León region along the Duero River. This region creates bold, structured red wines primarily made from Tempranillo. Here, Tempranillo is locally called Tinto Fino, to indicate its uniqueness and set them apart from other Spanish Tempranillo. The Ribera del Duero wine region is known for its high-altitude vineyards and is home to some iconic wineries such as Bodegas Emilio Moro and the celebrated Vega Sicilia. Priorat. Priorat in Catalonia is the smallest DO in Spain, with only 1,800 hectares of vineyards. Concentrated, powerful, and mineral-driven reds are made here, with the star wine grape varietal being Garnacha, followed by Cariñena. The region is known for its steep, terraced vineyards on slate soils, known as Licorella, producing limited but high-quality wines. Rías Baixas. Rías Baixas, located in Galicia of northwest Spain, is known for producing some of the finest white wines in the country. This area is cooled by the breezes of the Atlantic Ocean, which influences the flavors of the fresh white wines of this region. The crisp and aromatic Albarino is the most cultivated white grape varietal here. Cava do. While Cava isn't a single geographic region, most cava is produced in the Penedès region of Catalonia. This region is world famous for cava a sparkling wine made in the traditional method from grapes like Macabeo, Parellada, and Charello. Jerez. Jerez is the oldest wine production area in the country and is the only place where sherry is made. Fortified wines flourish here in styles including fino, amontillado, and oloroso, made from Palomino, Pedro Jimenez, and Moscatel grapes. Jerez is known for its unique Solera aging system that imparts complex flavors. Other key wine regions include La Mancha, Toro, Navarra, Bierzo, and Valdepeñas. Key red grape varietals. Tempranillo is the most popular grape in Spain. In Rioja, it produces elegant oak-aged reds. In Ribera del Duero, wines made from Tempranillo are known to be robust and structured. In Toro, they tend to be bold and high in alcohol. And in La Mancha, you can find affordable and versatile styles. Tempranillo is generally medium to full in body with moderate acidity. Aromas and flavors include red fruits like cherry and strawberry, plum, leather, tobacco, and spice. Spanish Tempranillo is often aged in oak, giving added notes of vanilla, cedar, and dill. It has a savory component that pairs well with jamón ibérico, polenta, tomato-based dishes, and barbecue meats. Garnacha, or Grenache, is an important grape in Spain. In Priorat, they are known for creating concentrated and powerful wines. In Campo de Borja and Calatayud, they are more fruity and approachable. Garnacha produces wines that typically have light to medium tannins and high alcohol. Aromas and flavors include ripe red fruits like raspberry and strawberry, white pepper, and spice. Garnacha is often blended, but also shines as a single varietal wine. These wines pair well with paella, tapas, and Spanish olives. Monastrell is most commonly known outside of Spain as Mourvedre. In the Humilia region, Monastrell is known for its robust and value-driven wines. Monastrell is typically full-bodied with bold tannin. Aromas and flavors include blackberry, dark plum, earth, spice, and leather. These wines are often made in a dense and age-worthy style. Other key red grape varietals include Graciano, which is often blended with Tempranillo for added structure and acidity. Carignana, which is a popular blending grape in Priorat blends, and Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, and Syrah. Key white grape varietals. Albarino is a major white varietal of Spain, but it is respected all around the wine world. This bright white wine is from the notable region of Rías Baixas in northwest Spain. Albarino is known for its crisp, high-acid style, with flavors of citrus, peach, and saline minerality. This wine pairs great with all types of seafood and salted tapas. Verdejo grows almost only in Spain. Most production is centered in Castilla y León in the Rueda wine region. This wine is freshly aromatic with aromas and flavors of citrus, tropical fruit, and herbal notes. This Spanish white is a great alternative to Sauvignon Blanc and pairs well with carnitas, pork loin, manchego cheese, and fish tacos. Viura is a versatile white wine grape that is grown in both Rioja and Catalonia. It is also known as Macabeo. Its style can range from crisp and fruity when young to richly textured when aged. It is often blended in Rioja whites and Cava blends. Other notable white wine grapes include Godello, a full-bodied white that's similar to Chardonnay in texture, and Charello, a key grape in Cava production. Traditional aging classifications. The traditional aging classification of Spain refers to the categorization system used to describe the maturity levels of wines, particularly those made in regions like Rioja and Ribera del Duero. Categories include Joven wines are young wines with little or no aging in oak. These wines are fresh and fruity. Crianza Reds are aged a minimum of 2 years, with at least 6 months in oak. These wines are balanced and smooth. Reserva Reds are aged a minimum of 3 years, with at least 12 months in oak. These wines are rich and elegant. Gran Reserva Reds are aged a minimum of 5 years, with at least 18 months in oak. These wines are complex and refined. These Gran Reserva wines are typically produced in only exceptional vintages and represent the pinnacle of winemaking in Spain. Spain's wine classification system categorizes wines by quality and region, ensuring authenticity and standards. The main levels are Vino de Mesa, table wine, basic wines without regional designation, Vino de la Tierra, VT, regional wines with some geographic and quality specifications, Denominación de Origen or DO, high quality wines with specific regions, meeting strict rules for production and grape types, Denominación de Origen Calificada or DOCA, the highest quality designation, awarded to regions with consistent excellence, for example Rioja and Priorat. Vinos de Pago, VP, top-tier wines from single estates with unique characteristics. This system protects the heritage and quality of Spanish wines while helping guide consumers. And that's your introduction to Spanish wine. We have just touched the surface of the wines and regions in Spain. We hope you stick around and subscribe to the channel, as we will take an in-depth look into Spanish wines in a future video. Salud!